it only has 4 floors.
Yeah, Juvakankuja 5 in Lappeenranta.
Yeah, it's in Peltola.
In 1995, 868302.
They were talking about us at the apartment. About that we didn't press the doorbell on the
Yeah.
phone at the door, so I think we are gonna get busted soon. So we have to be really quick.
Yeah.
That lady was talking to that guy something at the apartment about us. So if you now press quickly 4, actually, yes. Well, I don't think they are gonna check the staircase again. But they were talking about
Yeah.
us.
4 floors are 340 kilograms train's capacity.
Yeah,
Expected pack lifespan maintained by Kone.
it's hydraulic elevator.
Yeah.
But I actually somehow thought here's actually 5 floors, but only 4.
Yeah.
I mean, like, not basement. It was only 4 floors, not 5. But if it had the basement, it would be 6 floors.
Yeah.
But it was actually lower.